How to set out of office reply in Outlook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Outlook on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the settings icon on the top right of your screen and then tap on the account option you see there. You will then see the option for automatic replies. Tap on that and then go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for automatic replies on. Once toggled on, go ahead and set the start time and the end time if required, and further type in your reply in the text box you see there. Also, make sure to check the Send Replies outside your organization checkbox in order to set replies for out of office. Finally, tap on the Save button you see there at the bottom in order to save the changes that you just made. So this is how you can set out of office reply in Outlook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.